How to log in into Shiftboard Employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Shiftboard Employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in shiftboard.com and press enter. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. On the home page, enter your email address associated with your Shiftboard account. Then enter your Shiftboard password. If your company has two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to enter the code sent to your phone or email. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary two-factor authentication, click on the login button. You will be directed towards the Shiftboard dashboard where you can view your schedule, manage shift, and access other important information. And that's it. With this, you have successfully logged in into your Shiftboard employee account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.